why you should invest in Tesla. Pouring rain up the Bahuzi, and we're making a strong turn here in this craziness rain. Car's still driving itself. Hopefully we don't crash. The biggest risk is hydroplane, but that's not a risk here because it's downhill. I'll hold it. More worried about other people hitting me now. So I'm gonna get ready to take over in case. Look at this guy.
Oh, I missed that. Did you see that skeleton? Yeah? Oh, I was so excited for it.
You know it's driving itself when you see this little blue line.
Yes, that's amazing!
Oh yeah, I could use that. Okay, I'm paying attention. Yeah, I could use that. Alright, let me make sure. You know it's pouring when it's all red and yellow there. Are you girls good? I put it on chill mode, which means be safer. It stays on the right lane. Chill mode. You know, I'm surprised it's still going. When FSD switched to AI mode, AI base, remember we tried it through here and then it's like blinking at us. Take control. I think it learned. Yeah, I think it's easy from here. Straight rows. You see that? Yep, straight roads from here. We just did all of these curvy roads on the intense rain. And it's still coming hard. FSD is still going strong. Invest in Tesla.